Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A series, the A52, the 4G and 5G, a full specification and design, and a pricing reveal in a massive leaks. We have been hearing about the Samsung A52 4G and a 5G for quite some time. And while there is still no official word from Samsung about the smartphone yet, the steady stream of leaks over the past few months have given us a fair idea of what to expect from these smartphones, the upcoming Galaxy A52 4G and a 5G variant. However, the latest leaks by German blog WinFuture leaves little to the imagination as it details the specification of the Galaxy A52 4G and a 5G while revealing their prices and sharing a new render images. The Galaxy A52 5G and a 4G were spotted on a Geekbench with a Snapdragon 720G and a Snapdragon 750G respectively. The publication corroborates that bit and claim both smartphone will run Android 11 with one UI out of the box, and we have two memory options depending on the market. 6 gigs with 128 gigabytes storage, 8 gigs RAMs with a 256 gigabyte storage. Both 4G and 5G model will also come with a micro SD card slot for a storage expansion. The source says that the Galaxy A52 4G and 5G are identical with a difference in chipset and connectivity. That means both version of the Galaxy A52 will come with a 6.5-inch Full HD plus a Super AMOLED screen with a fingerprint reader underneath and a punch hole in the center for the 32 megapixel selfie camera. A previous leak claimed the A52 4G will come with a 90Hz panel, while its 5G counterpart will go all the way up to 120Hz. The rear panel of the A52 4G and 5G, which will come in a 4-color, will house a quad camera setup comprising the 64 megapixel primary, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro, and 2 megapixel depth units. This contract previous leaks which claim that the smartphone will feature two 5 megapixel camera with a 4G variant having 12 megapixel shooter on a board instead of 8 megapixel. The Galaxy A52 both version 4G and 5G will have 4500 mAh battery that will draw power through a USB Type-C port with up to 25 watt, but 3C and FCC revealed that the 5G model will ship with a 15 watt adapter. The rest of the feature of the A52 Galaxy due, including 3.5mm headphone jack, Bluetooth 5, NFC dual SIM support, and IP67 rating. The source claimed that the Galaxy A52 4G will be priced at Euro 349 in the same European countries, while the A52 5G will cost 429 euro. So this is the latest update about the upcoming A52 4G and 5G. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for this one? And also like the video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out.